If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Another type of asset account you can create in Sage 50 Accounting is the fixed assets account type. Fixed assets are assets that contribute value to your company for a period greater than a year. Generally speaking, if you won't be converting the asset into cash in the next year, it is a fixed asset. Furniture, some office equipment, automobiles, and land could all be examples of fixed assets. To create a fixed assets account in the Maintain Chart of Accounts window in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain Chart of Accounts from the menu bar. Enter an account ID number, and then type a description for the account into the description field. Make sure you select the account type of fixed assets from the account type dropdown. Then click the Save button in the Maintain Chart of Accounts window to save the account. The value of a fixed asset is usually the original cost of the asset, assuming it is purchased after the Sage 50 start date. If purchasing a fixed asset after you started using Sage 50, you must tell Sage 50 from where you received the money to purchase and thus create the balance of the fixed asset account. This money usually comes from a long-term liability, from one of your cash accounts, or from both. You can enter a general journal entry to give the asset its value. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.